Hi everybody, Diane Gracely here. Today I want to do a video and tell you how I got a mobility ramp for my house. Being a disabled person and on a fixed income. I thought maybe this would be of help to some of you. This is my ramp that they installed on my house. Here's my car. So I just walk with my walker up to my ramp and up to my front door. I'll walk around so you can see the rest of it. You may see my dogs here. I've got 6 little pups. This is the whole ramp that they installed, porch and all, on the front of my home. This is my pump house. My water pump for the well and stuff is in there. And this is my carport where I park my car and our motorcycle. Okay, guys. How I did this was I contacted the county. First of all, I went through contacting several different community programs and stuff, and I kept getting turned down. Nobody could help. Finally, I contacted the county, and they told me of a program that could help me. And you can do this no matter what state you live in. Most states have help for us disabled people. So I contacted the county. They came out, did estimates. And how it works is I have a lien on my house for $20,000. This isn't just for the ramp. They also did a walk-in shower for me in my bathroom. So it was $20,000 for this ramp, the porch, and my walk-in shower, which isn't just a slip over, it's a full-blown walk-in shower. It's beautiful, and you'll see it in one of my other videos on my YouTube channel. They put a lien on the house for the $20,000. If I decide to sell my house and move within the first 15 years after having this done, I would have to pay that money back. If I stay living here for another 15 years, which I plan to, and hopefully I don't die before then, the loan is forgiven and the lien is removed from my home. Check around with your county, check around with different programs for elderly people, for disabled people, whatever. There is help in your area, I'm sure of it. So I wanted to share this info with you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. I'm under Diane's Tees or my name, Diane Gracely. You can also contact me through my website, dianestees.com. I design t-shirts to supplement my Social Security disability income. I only do the designing. I don't do the printing and shipping and all that. I'm partnered with a third-party company because I can't, with my disabilities, I can't do all that. Anyways, I hope you like what you see. This ramp turned out beautiful, and sooner or later I may be in a wheelchair because of my Charcot Marie Tooth disease. So this helps me out now with my walker, and it will help me once I possibly end up in a wheelchair again. Alright guys, have a great day. I hope this helps you. Thanks. Bye.